Alright, so here we go. Midnight Sin. This is actually my third bottle. First two bottles I got from Scentland in Houston, and this one I got from Gift Express. Just open the seal, but same noise I heard from the other two boxes, and those I got directly from Scentland. However, those were also shipped. First thing I would like to say is, Daniel, my deepest condolences in the loss of your father. My prayers go out to you and your family. Stay strong, my brother. So, let's open this up. As I said, this is my third bottle, but I'm pretty sure it's probably in the same condition as the other two. So here we go. Looks good from the outside, and we'll open it up and see what happened. Well, actually does seem to be intact except for the lock, and I can hear it in here somewhere. Here it is. That just screws on, so that would be pretty simple to put in. Let me go ahead and remove it. Oh, well, the glue on the back of this come off. I can fix that. At least the atomizer is on this one. And as I said before, one of my last bottles, the lock, the atomizer, the top, everything was off of it. And pretty simple to put it back on. Just screw it back on. A couple of turns. And there we go. So everything's back on. This I can take care of. I know Daniel's been talking about fixing the packaging, and that's good, but I'm going to keep the three that I have, especially if he plans on atomizer. Is great. Love that smell, because once he changes the packaging, I think these are going to become even more collectible. And that's pretty much what I do, is collect fragrances. I'm into fragrances, and this one no doubt is a good fragrance. I get about 8 to 9 hours out of this, I would say, on the skin. And probably, well, I actually smelled it on my shirt the very next day. So it does last on clothing even a lot more. On skin, I get about 8 to 9 hours. So I just wanted to do this quick unboxing, being that there's a lot of shipping issues. Doesn't have anything to do with Daniel, doesn't have anything to do with the perfume. The perfume is great. I like it a lot. Daniel, keep doing what you do, brother. And I appreciate it. You're one of my inspirations, right along with Red Essence. And hey, shit happens sometimes. Deal with it and move on. And I'm talking to those people that are crying about the fragrance or the bottle or the packaging. Some things are out of other people's control. So, as I said, I'm going to keep them, all three. Especially if he changes the packaging. I think it's going to be a lot more collectible at that point. Love you, Daniel. Thank you for everything that you do and all your giveaways, even though I've never gotten anything. Appreciate it. keep moving forward. And again, my condolences on your father. And take care.